Hey friends, it's Jamie Jaco, your 31 girl, and it's Solution Set Sunday. So I'm going to show you a few products that works really well together for 31 and how you can get it for a great price this month because I'm using the monthly special. So what we're going to talk about is our mobile office. So if you maybe have a direct sale business, or if you own a small business, maybe you do something on the side, or with your job, you have to take stuff home a lot, then you need a mobile office. And what a mobile office is something that you can take with you to and from work, keeps everything nice and organized inside of it. And so I have 3 great products that if somebody said they wanted to create a mobile office, these would be the 3 things that I would suggest you start out with. We have a few add-ons like zipper pouches and things that are like that are great, but these are the 3 things that I would tell you to start with first. So the first thing is our fold and file. This is a perfect thing for any kind of business, any kind want to keep stuff organized. We use this at home for our bills and stuff. This is just a great thing to have to keep stuff in. But this is our fold and file. It has 2 mesh pockets on the front so you can tuck down catalogs in here, calculators, pens, anything like that, and then it's nice and open. I love that it has the handles so you can grab them. If you use these kind of file folders, now any kind of file folders work, but these that have the little claws in here, they fit perfectly inside the fold and file, and as you see, they hang right on the side, so it's very easy to move them. You can keep up with everything. You can have tabs in here so you can find stuff really easily. So for your business, if you need to have different folders for maybe different customers or different flyers, things like that, this is great for that. Maybe if you're a teacher and you have papers that need to be graded or papers that's already been graded, then this is perfect. You can keep all that stuff separated. So the first thing I would tell you, the fold and file is perfect, but the whole point of a mobile office is so that you can take it with you easily. So take it home, take it to work, take it in the car, wherever you need. So if you buy the fold and file, I'm going to tell you that you also need the zip top organizing utility tote. And that's because our fold and file fits perfectly down inside here. So here it is, just goes right in here. Now you can keep it just like this so it's nice and easy to get to, or if you would like to have the zipper, you can always bring the zipper up right here and then you can zip it closed so that if it falls over, you don't have to worry about things falling out. So if you're not familiar with what the zip top organizing utility tote is, this is our number 2 selling product. So number 1 selling product is the large utility tote, and the number 2 selling product is our zip top organizing utility tote, and it's been like that for I think 10 years now. That's always our number 1 and number 2 selling product because they're the best and they work great. So this zip top organizing utility tote is like people's always heard about it as a perfect diaper bag. And that is awesome. It's a great teacher's bag, nurse's bag, but I love it for my mobile office. So my fold and file fits down right in here. Let me take this out so you can see if you've never seen what it looks like. So if you look at on the inside, it's nice and big and open, and then it has 2 pockets on the front. So this is really great. You can put a bottle of water in here, your keys, your cell phone, whatever you need. It's got 2 mesh pockets on each side. And then on the back of it, it has these 3 big open pockets. So it's perfect for your mobile office. You're going to have your fold and file tucked down nicely inside with all of your files and everything that you need. And then you've got pockets on the outside. So if you need to put your keys in here, if you're running into the office, if this stays in your car, you can just throw your keys in the pocket, throw your bottle of water, throw it on your shoulder, and you're ready to go. So these are the 2 most important things. For your mobile office, you need your fold and file so you can keep up with all of your papers. You need your zip top organized utility tote so you can carry all the extra stuff, and to put your files inside so you don't lose it. And then the third thing that I'm going to suggest is what's on sale this month, and that's our number 1 selling product, the large utility tote. So like I was saying, if you have a direct sale business or if you have your own small business, one of my great friends makes weighted blankets, and so she has lots of materials. The large utility tote is perfect because if you don't have an office at home, this is going to be really great because this can be your office. You can keep everything inside of here. So you've got all of your files, your papers, everything that you need for the business part of it, and then all of your products in here. So if you own a jewelry business, my friend, she has a great jewelry business that goes on, and it has lots of boxes that the jewelry's in. And if you don't work the business, like if you don't have your own office, then this is going to be really great. You can keep all of your catalogs and order forms in here, and then all of your jewelry in here. And what's even better is this can tuck down right in here. And then you've still got all of your other things in here, and then you can put this nicely away inside your closet or underneath your bed, wherever you need, so it's out of sight and out of mind, but then you can pull it out when you're ready to work again. So don't forget, this month the large utility tote is on sale for $10. So if you spend $35, you get a large utility tote for $10. So a great idea is, guess how much our Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote is? It's $35. So you can buy the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote for $35 and then get your large utility tote for $10. So you get both of these products this month only for $45. That is such a great deal because it's our number one and I get so excited I can't even talk, y'all. This is our number one and number two selling product. You can get both of them for $45 this month only. So we have lots of prints that the large utility tote comes in. All of these prints you get to pick from. And then right now, 31 has released 7 new spring and summer prints that you can go ahead and buy. Our spring and summer catalog comes out a little later, but they went ahead and released some of the new prints in the large utility tote. So if you're like me and you're ready for spring, you can go ahead and get some bright colors. Now I've already gotten in 3 of the large utility totes in the bright colors, and I wanted to show them because they look so good in person. So the first one is our adorable little llama tote. Livia's already tried to steal it from me. Look how cute these llamas are. So this is the large utility tote in the llama print. That's one of our new ones. And then the other one we have is called our Fun Flags print. So this was my best friend Lindsay's favorite print, and I love it. It is nice and fun and has tons of different colors. So here's the Fun Flag print, and then it has navy right here. So cute. And then last but not least that I got in, this is Wyatt's favorite. His favorite color is green. Craig's favorite color is green also. And I just think this is so pretty. So here's our green cabana stripe. How cute is that? To me, this just screams summer. So that's 3 of the new spring and summer prints that you can order this month. But I just wanted to come live and do this video real quick, show you what I used for a mobile office before I had my own office. That's what I used. I put all of my papers and stuff inside the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote, and then any extra products or things like that that I had went into the large utility tote. So it worked out perfect for me, so I hope it works great for you. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.